I just thought of something really cool that has to do with shifting, so if you're a shifter, listen up. So I'm reading this book about quantum physics, and I love it so far. It's very interesting, and I'm on chapter 6, page 55, and it bears the question, is the moon there if we do not look at it? Okay, and I love this kind of shit. So, yeah. And it says, for example, if we look at the moon, we will discover where we anticipate it should be along its traditionally determined direction. We venture that the moon is constantly there in space-time, anyway, when we are not looking. Quantum material science says no. So, it's just like if a tree falls in the middle of the forest, is there sound if there is no ears to hear it? You know what I mean? It's that kind of thing. Where if we are not looking at something, does it exist still? Like, for example, I'm in an upstairs room in my house. Does the downstairs level not exist anymore because I'm not aware of it? Yeah, I'm gonna continue. If we are not looking, the impetus of the moon's possibility spreads, but by a limited amount. The moment we look, the wave stops in a fraction of a second. Thus, it cannot be in space-time, and it bodes well to receive an otherworldly I'm translating in French. Philosophical hypothesis, and in quotations it says, there is no object in space-time without a conscious subject taking a look at it. Wow. And you might be like, Lauren, what does this have to do with shifting? Well, I'm gonna fucking tell you. So, if our desired reality is like the moon, right now the moon isn't out, I can't see the moon. So technically it doesn't exist. But if I were to become aware of it, then it would exist. You know, it's almost as though I decide whether it exists in my world or not. Which is like the basics of shifting, is becoming aware in a different body, in a different reality. I just think that this quote, there is no object in space-time without a conscious subject looking at it, it just proves the power of awareness, I think. And I think that's really cool, since that's what shifting is about, at least for me. Like, if you decide that you are aware of your desired reality, for example, if you use your 5 senses and just decide that you're there and bring your attention and awareness to that, then it will be there. You know what I mean? It's like the power of awareness, of you being aware, will literally, like, it just creates, and it just